Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Exploring Monty Python's What is Your Favorite Color? Quote in Python. Introduction. Monty Python, a legendary comedy group, is known for its humor and absurdity. One of their iconic quotes is, "What is your favorite color?" In this tutorial, we'll delve into this famous quote, understand its context, and create a Python script that playfully incorporates the essence of the quote. Context. The quote is from the movie Monty Python and the Holy Grail. In a scene involving the Bridge of Death, a character named Bridgekeeper asks a series of questions, one of which is, what is the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow? If the respondent fails to answer correctly, they are thrown into the Gorge of Eternal Peril. One of the characters, Sir Lancelot, is asked about his favorite color. When he answers blue, the Bridgekeeper permits him to pass. Now, let's create a Python script inspired by this quote. Python code example. Explanation. Feel free to run this script and have some playful interaction with the Bridgekeeper's question about your favorite color. Enjoy the humor inspired by Monty Python. ChatGPT.